Greetings everyone, I returned to Disneyland to do all the big dark rides over in Fantasyland. Let's roll that intro. Yes, we are doing Fantasyland dark rides today. It's very exciting. I'm actually here at Rope Drop, right over to the kind of left of the castle. I mean, the castle off to the right, as it were. But look at all this free space here. They're trying to keep it clear so people can come take a picture with the Rope Drop sign. Very fun, but got a lot of folks over here. Now, this is kind of where you want to hang out if you want to go see Rise of the Resistance. But I'm over here. I'm going to try to sneak in to go to Fantasyland. A lot of Fantasyland folks will be coming in from that direction, too. So let's go see if we can't go off to Neverland first and foremost. Here I am in line for Peter Pan's flight, and even at Rope Drop, still full of people. The line went back actually to the castle. It's crazy. Wow, people really want to go to Neverland. I get it. I get it. There she is, Nana. Oh, I love Nana so much. Oh, we get to see her soon. Looks like we'll be getting gold and white today. Here we go. As Peter likes to say. There's Nana. Nana, I love you so much. Oh my goodness. Here we go indeed. Yes, we're off to Neverland. That's right. Everybody wants to go off to Neverland. Alright, where's that Mickey?
There it is, Wendy. Looks like I'm starting to right, straight on.
Wait for it, wait for it. There he is. Hi, Mick. Yes. Oh, man. It's so funny. Every time I ride this, I always think the same thing. Man, why do I wait so long for this? Why does everybody wait so long for this? Then you get on it and you're like, oh yeah, it's special. It's very special. Whoa, I just got shot at. It's fine. Dang it, Hook. Where's that TikTok croc? He's down there. He's circling. Just a hungry little crocodile. Beautiful. This ride is not very long at all, but it is fun. Like this part. Tiger Lily, no. Oh. Yeah. There's Croc. I love you, Croc. Here comes my favorite part. Pixie Durst. There we go. So good. Yeah. Thanks for riding with me, guys. It was a fun ride there on Peter Pan's flight. It took about 20-25 minutes even at Rope Drop. So keep that in mind. Oh my goodness. But yeah, now we're heading on over to Alice in Wonderland. I just want to take a second to thank you to all the patrons and all the members for being here, for supporting me. Appreciate you very, very much. Much love to you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now in line for Alice in Wonderland, and the line is long. Oh my goodness. These dark rides. Very popular. Very popular, and they've changed up how they're doing early entry now. I'm here on a day when it's early entry for DCA if you are staying at the resorts, but I'm hopeful that if you've seen my other videos, the early entry into Disneyland, and you can get into Disneyland on that day that you're at the resort, so you can still do a bunch of these dark rides really quickly. That is not this day. Also, quick shout out to, I believe, Jeffrey, Counting Steps Adventures. Saw him in the line for Peter Pan. Go check him out. I will link his channel down below. So we got kind of the mud greenish, not even, I don't know. But look at that, Matterhorn. Oh, oh, oh. Yes. Here we go. Time to go back to Wonderland. We got Neverland. Now we got Wonderland. It's amazing. Oh, yay.
Looking for the white rabbit?
Yeah.
Wow. See for yourself.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait! Please! He went this way. No,
Oh, no.
I love this ride. It's on my top 10 list. I'm late. By the way, it took about 20-25 minutes to get on this. Also on top of that, this morning, Matterhorn, Space Mountain, and Indiana Jones Adventure Pool, Temple of the Forbidden Eye are all down too, so that's probably playing into some of these longer wait times. Yeah, so keep that in mind. Ugly Woods. Love it.
This would be a curious place to find the ladder.
Might be my favorite part of the whole ride right here.
This way. I'm not sure where I am.
Don't go, please.
Oh, that one's hitting the nail on the head. Haha.
Good try. This way.
Okay. Now we'll be seeing this very shortly, but I prefer this ride at night. It's still great during the day, but I love that it's got that kind of dynamic nature.
The Queen of Hearts and the King.
Can we play croquet?
Rule 42. The Queen always wins.
That should be a higher up rule, I think, than 42. Hello. Out of my way. I need to see the Matterhorn. Oh, we're back in Disneyland. Oh, it's so beautiful. Now, I might be wrong on this, but as far as Fantasyland dark rides go, I think Alice in Wonderland is one of the longest ones. Peter Pan's around like 2 minutes. Most of them are. This one's a little bit longer. And I dig it. It's so fun. Oh my gosh, put your hands up at home. Put them up, put them up. Time for the unbirthday. Party. Oh, yes. Let's see if the White Rabbit's back. Oh, he is. Yay. Huzzah. Oh, he looks great. Haha. That was so much fun. That was a lot of fun. Well, I wanted to hop in line for Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, but like the queue. Oh no, the queue's open. Never mind. I can get in there. We can go in there. Okay, I thought I was roped off. I was worried. I know we can get in. Okay, I was really worried there for a second because I really wanted to ride Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Look at that brickwork. Oh, it's so good. I love this one. There he is, Jay Thaddeus. Oh, I love this guy so much. Taking a shower. Look at it. I'm repping. Love it. Looks like McBadger's the one we get. We'll go say hi to him right away. And away we go. McBadger, there he is. What's up, buddy? Woo! I love it. I love it so. Ah, Mr. Toad. Feels good. Feels good. I'm Ollie. Oh, pardon. What? Nope, I can't stop. The brakes have been cut. I gotta keep going. Yep, here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We can buff that out. We can buff that out. Oh, pardon me. Yep. Ah, yes. I love it. Well, we went to Neverland, we went to Wonderland, and now we're going to Judicial Land. Wait. Uh-oh. You mean Inferno Land. I prefer Inferno Land, thank you. Best part. Oh, yes. Another top 10er because of this sequence right here. Feels good. How strange. Yeah. So fun. Love it. Also, look at this queue. Look at this loading area. Look at all this. It's so beautiful. Especially at night, it's super cozy. You know, with these lights on. Oh, heading on across the way to Snow White's Enchanted Wish. Post wait time 15 minutes. We'll see about that. Toady was probably 10 to 15. So not too bad, thankfully. Not too bad at all. You know, I don't mind the stonework here. It's pretty good. It's just always funny to me because I think about the fact that they repainted all of these for Enchanted Wish to make it less intimidating. But I know what dwells in this attraction. I know that she is here. Oh no. Looks like we're getting sleepy. Aw, yeah. Perfect for rope dropping, right? And away we go. Yep. It's a fun, happy time we're all having here. Yep. Nothing possibly could be weird on this ride. Oh. Alright, Snow, strike a pose. You look great. Oh, oh dear. See, that's different. She doesn't usually in the movie go out in her full outfit like that, but I like to think that she went out throughout the forest in that great outfit and she kept it clean. Good job, Wicked Queen. Oh. The copyright music is coming in hot. The Grumpy's back. He's working. Good job, Grumpy. All right. The devastation. Here it comes. We're in for it now. Oh. Come on, do it. Yeah, you're fooling me into an early grave there, miss. Thank you. Very scary. But science isn't scary. You know, science is a good thing. It's just she's a bad lady. Oh. Don't do it, Snow. Don't do it. Yep. And they kept her on that mountain forever. Don't worry about it. It's totally fine. Ah, there we go. I love it. I did a video recently on a Rise of the Resistance overlay for original trilogy. We're also talking about an overlay for Snow White, where it could be Sleeping Beauty. You know, kind of the same, similar story beats anyway, in some ways. At least the ending. I don't know, would anybody want that? Or would that be blasphemy? Let me know in the comments. Last up on the list is Pinocchio's Daring Journey. Let's go see Monstro. Oh, he looks like a nice guy. Yeah, Stromboli. Aww. I bet he's such a very kind boss man. Alright. I'm sure nothing in this ride will tell me differently. Here we go. Oh my goodness. See, this looks fun. Yeah, actors like for me, I get that. Yeah. Sleep till after 2, right? Oh, wait a sec. This is a nice guy. Stromboli, no. Oh no. Plot twist. Dramatic.
Hey, this way. Oh,
Pinocchio Village. See, Pinocchio here, everyone village. Why would you leave it? I don't understand. Pleasure Island. Pleasure Island land. That doesn't work as well. Pleasure Island is better, yes. Nice. It's kind of the thing that nightmares are made out of, to be honest with you.
so you want a good time?
And now the depressing part, right?
Shut the door and lock the top.
Don't take me away.
I miss my mom too.
Hurry! Let's get out of here.
Oh.
Don't leave yet.
now we're leaving. The best part. Wait for him. There he is. You see him in the darkness. Monster up. Ah. Poor Geppetto.
You're on your way now.
So good. Make a wish, everybody. I'm the star. Yay, he's home. Yay, Jiminy got his medal. Ah. Nice. Very nice. Everybody, that's going to do it for my Fantasyland Dark Ride video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you prefer the kind of full POVs of the rides or just like kind of edited up. I'd love to know. Because like, I don't know, I kind of see the merits of both, to be honest with you, but I also have to kind of talk over them so I can like not have to deal with some of the issues with the music and stuff. But either way, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you for the likes and the comments. That helps so much. The shares really do help out the most, but also even beyond that, the thing that helped the utmost are the patrons and the members who are supporting me financially. Thank you so very, very much. I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you want to support the channel financially, consider looking down in the links below. I appreciate it. Thanks for spending some time with me here today. Until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye.